Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your SBI account is active and your mobile number is registered, because the app validates identity before payments. Once done, open Yono SBI and grant camera and network permissions so QR scanning works smoothly. You should keep the merchant or recipient QR code visible and your UPI PIN handy. Having your debit card details nearby helps if verification is required. This first step removes delays and ensures the app can process the QR scan without permission or authentication errors. You now tap Payments and choose Scan QR. Position the QR square inside the on-screen frame so the app reads it instantly. Once scanned, check the payee name and merchant details. This prevents misdirected transfers, and enter or adjust the payment amount if not prefilled. Next, pick the correct SBI account for the debit, confirm any convenience fees, and authorize the transfer by entering your UPI PIN or OTP. Doing these steps deliberately prevents mistakes and ensures the payment posts immediately. You finish by waiting for the success confirmation and transaction ID. Take a screenshot or note the ID for records and reconciliation. If the transaction fails, retry scanning or switch to manual UPI ID entry, and make sure your network is stable because poor connectivity often causes timeouts. If funds were debited but no confirmation appears, immediately contact SBI support with the transaction ID and timestamp. They can trace and reverse or settle the payment. This closing step protects your money and resolves errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.